Hello students, good morning. In today's class, we are going to do the second part or do the rest part of our new chapter, the giving tree. In the previous class, we have already done the question answer and the first number of word building. So now we are going to start from that. So let us start from number 2. Please open the page number 142 and look at the number 2. So here in number 2, fill in the blanks with correct word. So here is a paragraph given to you and there are some blank spaces in this paragraph, and at the end of each blank space there are two words and you have to choose only one word to fill that blank space. Okay. So my mother went to the market and bought a kilogram. Here is the word kilogram. So it will be apples. Okay, a dozen is a plural form, so dozen bananas and a dozen oranges. Okay, so I love oranges, so I ate an. Here is focus on the word an. Okay, on the article an. I love oranges, so I ate an orange. My brother wanted a banana and my sister asked for an apple. A tree has one trunk. Okay, so all these are in singular form. One trunk, but many. Here is the plural word many branches. Many branches. A branch has a number of leaves and flowers. So you can fill the blank spaces with these words. Now here is a talking activity. Let us talk. Why should we not cut the trees? You can write your own answer, or you can communicate, or you can tell this answer to your elder brother and sister in your home. Why should we not cut trees? Okay. Why should we not cut trees? We should not cut trees because it gives us oxygen to breathe. It gives us apples to gives it up to eat and many other things. Okay. Why at the end of the play only the stumps of the tree is left. Find out if it will grow into a tree again. Ask your elders as your grandfather and grandmother whether the stump will grow or not. Say the given sentences with different expressions. So here are the sentences and we have to tell this in a different expression from the book आज गिवन इन द बुक. ओके, बुक में जैसे दिया हुआ है वैसे नहीं बोलना है, कुछ दूसरा एक्सप्रेशन से बोलना है. ये आपका हॉलीडे होमवर्क है. आप क्या करेंगे, इसी को कोई दूसरा एक्सप्रेशन का हाथ बोल के एक वीडियो बनाएंगे. ओके, सो नाउ कम टू द लेटेस्ट राइट इन पेज नंबर 143. Write these sentences in the correct order. Also choose the right word from the box and add it before each sentences. Remember to put a comma after it. For example, finally. Okay. So here are 4 sentences and you have to choose it in order given as given in the book. Okay, and you have to add the words given in the box before each sentences. Okay, and after writing the words you have to put a comma, then you have to write the sentences. Just like here is example for you. Finally, then it is a comma and next sentences. Okay. So it gave him its branches to make a house. It asked him to sit on the storm. It gave him its trunk to make a boat. The tree gave its apples to the boy. So at first, the tree gives its apples to the boy. First, the tree gave its apples to the boy. First, comma, the tree gave its apples to the boy. Then it gave him its branches to make a house. After that, it gave him its trunk to make a boat. Finally, it asked him to sit on the stump. Okay, here are the 4 sentences in order. Work in a group and decide the things that you can do to help your grandparents or any old person. Now write 5 sentences of these things that you will do. Discuss with your friends that how you can help your grandfather or grandmother or any other old person. Okay, and write 5 sentences of them. For example, one sentence is we can talk to them politely and we can go with them for a walk and we can tell stories to them that we learned, and we can ask them to tell stories or their stories to us, etc. You can write 5 sentences. I have told you 2 or 3, and you have to add 1 or 2 and write in your copy. Okay, so here is the acting activity. So let us act. We will do it in live classes. Chinta Chittu. Chitta Chittu. Okay, here is a, let us read. Here is a poem for you. Chitta Chittu. Chitta Chittu is a tamarind tree. What do you mean by Chitta Chittu? The Chitta Chittu is the name of a tamarind tree. Chitta Chittu is a tamarind tree. This famous tamarind tree is in Gwalior. Where is the Chitta? Where was the Chitta Chittu? Chitta Chittu is a tree in Gwalior. It grows over Tansen's tomb. It grows over Tansen's tomb. Tansen was a great singer. People in Gwalior say, eat the leaves of this tamarind tree and you will also sing like Tansen. Here are some fill in the blanks activities given to you. Chitta Chittu is a tamarind tree or leaf tree. The famous tree is in Guntur or Gwalior, in Gwalior. Tansen was a famous singer or dancer, singer. The tamarind tree grows over Tansen's house or tomb, Tansen's tomb. Eat the leaves of the tamarind tree and you will also sing like Tansen or Akbar. Obviously the answer is Tansen. So you have to do all these activities and send photographs in groups and Google Classroom so that your copy will be checked. Thank you and have a nice day.